Hi guys, I just cannot resist showing you this just as it arrived because I'm so excited. I just want to show you this brief unboxing because this product might be the one that I was dreaming of, really. And this is a new set of FREEWELL filters. I've already reviewed few sets of it, and they were all different in purpose, I would say. They were always very good in build and picture quality, but they had all their cons and pros, of course. But they were not ideal for me personally, for my shooting, for hybrid shooting, so having fun with photos. Of course, having V&D, I absolutely need that for shooting vlogs and videos outside and stuff. But it was difficult sometimes with the such large number of filters, you know. But this might be the one to have all the time with you. Now, there's something interesting, and there's a lot of stuff actually here. So let's start with the small boxes. And this one is, what is this? This is the V2 diffusion glow mist. So that's a filter, really. This magnetic filter that's magneted on top of the system. Right. Then we have the stepping ring. Yes, I ordered this because stepping ring to 77 millimeters. Because the whole system is called hybrid V&D CPL 3 to 7 stops, and it is 82 millimeters, while most of my lenses are 77 or lower. So I specially ordered these 77 millimeters adapter, like the native one, because I previously had some misluck with some third-party stepping rings, but this is original and I hope it works. So this is it, the hybrid V&D. So it means, see, from 3 to 7 stops. Previously we had like from 2 to 5, then 6 to 9, and it's not always comfortable and convenient, because most unit is right between the 3 and 7 stops. So I believe they might be even listening to me, because I don't know how about other reviewers, but I definitely told that in my previous reviews. The 2 to 5 and 6 to 9 is not convenient, because you actually want to be in the broad daylight. You really want to be somewhere in the middle, like 3.5 to maybe 7.5 at max stops. So you don't really need 8 or 9 stops most of the times, and maybe 3, 4 is also not the most convenient for the daylight, for the sunny days. But these 3 to 7 might be just ideal. That's why I actually liked it, and you know, I was so excited when I saw it came out, and the FREEWELL company, well, luckily presented this to me. So this is, you know, independent unboxing and reviews of it. They don't pay me any money, but they give me products for free. So this is just, you know, my honest opinion. And now let's just open it and see what's inside. So here's the holy moment of opening the box. It's always nice, you see, nice quality box, the regular paperwork here, you know, with the stickers and the instruction manuals and stuff, and carabiner. And I'm already a little bit disappointed, because previously I was really fascinated with the carry case that they had for the quick swap system M2, which I reviewed earlier, and that had the rounded pouch, and this again now has the square one with these dangerous hard corners. But well, anyway, it's a very nice box. It's nicely designed. It has some, you know, structure to it. But anyway, let's look inside. I would really prefer the circular pouches. So what does it have? Yeah, the pouch like we had previously, and here's the system itself. Right. What's really nice is that the cap has a ring, really useful for using with the lens hood. Really nice, and it is easily, not so easily because it's a really strong magnet, but it is detached nicely. And yes, I see the filter rotates, I see 3 to 7 stops, but I see some little screw here. I don't really like additional screws, and that actually bothers me, but that what I will tell you later. And I see only one screw. And what about in the other? I see there's one screw, but there's the hole for the second one. So if it's missing or lost, or is it just for, you know, switching from one side to another, I would figure it out later. But oh, I'm sorry, my fault. I thought this is just a little piece of cloth for cleaning your filters, but this is actually a spare screw. So you can have both of them, or this is just a spare one in case you lose one. So it's okay, 2 holes for screws and 2 screws included. The cap is nice. The edges are very good for taking it off easily, unlike some of the previous systems. And yeah, it rotates, so you have hard stops from 3 to 7. That's nice. And what else? We must be having like what's this? Oh, it's nice. This is a back cap. So it's magneting back cap. Right. Yeah, really nice. Nice touch. 2 caps, but well, I think we'll figure it all out because it says A and it says B. So all in all, we'll see about that later, but I would really prefer rounded pouch than this square one. Yeah, but yeah, at least it has some spare place, some spare space for additional filters and maybe for this nice stepping ring. Now let's take a look at the stepping ring. See, oh, it's just like a little packet, and you know, just a ring. Nothing fancy. Thread on one side, magnet on the other. So yeah, we thread this in and then we magnet the system on top of it. Nice. And then about the last thing that we have, not so easily opened. Oh, there's a little bit of cotton inside, so it must be really tightly assembled. Fucking gonna take it. Well, that's how we do it. Right, so nice cotton. Oh, an additional paperwork, an additional pouch. I was not expecting that. I was expecting just another filter to put it into this box. But here's the glow mist filter. Well, nothing special. You can't see any effect like this, of course. Well, it's just the thing that's magneted on top of your system. So anyway, that's nice, and I believe that wraps up the unboxing. Well, so right away, not so excited anymore because I don't like these square hard corners and hard edges pouches, because you can get dust, moisture in here and it can fall. Oh, you see, it can fall out. I would rather prefer the rounded pouches with the zippers. But anyway, it has some slots for SD cards or something, and you can of course use this filter in this box. I mean, store it in there. So anyway, pouch I don't like, system I don't know yet. Looks fine, the cap is good, the back cap is nice, but I don't like the idea of these screws. Of course, I understand what they are for. They are to fix your circular polarizer filter so that you don't mess around with it. But these screws are, I believe they can easily be lost, and I don't know what about the second screw. We'll figure it out later. Well, anyway, that's about the unboxing, and wait for the full review later. Kretz was here with you. I see you in the next video. Or maybe not. It's up to you.